Woke up this morning, smiled at the rising sun. Three little birds that by my doorstep, singing a sweet song, a melody pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you.